Oh, hey, honey. What's your day?
Terrible. I broke my iPhone at work today.
You broke your iPhone again?
I cracked the screen.
Well, you're lucky if it's just a screen. I broke my phone last summer, and I went to these great guys, local, and they come to me. It was standard screen repair.
Standard screen repair, that's what I need.
Standard screen repair, Angelo's. How may I help you?
You're able to come to me in an hour?
I can.
That sounds beautiful. I'll text you my address.
Thank you. See you soon.
Great. Bye.
Standard's here.
You're gonna get what you need. Gonna get what you need. You're gonna get what you need. Gonna get what you need. You're gonna get what you need. Gonna get what you need. Alright, get what you need.
Hello, I'm Angelo from Standard Screen Repair. I'm here to fix your iPhone.
Oh great, I broke my screen.
Okay, I'll take this out to the car for 15 to 20 minutes, and I'll bring it back all fixed up.
Perfect, thanks.
Great, I'll be right back. Okay, your iPhone's all set.
Great, thanks. Do you take credit card?
I do.
Great. So cool.